I know so many of you out there with PCOS are trying literally everything, yet still struggling. Through years of working as a dietitian and having PCOS myself, I've been able to narrow it down to the 3 things that you really need to focus on to start moving the needle. I simplify this into 3 words: restore, rebuild, and reconnect. You need to restore and optimize your micronutrient status and metabolic health. You need to rebuild your plate to properly fuel yourself, balance your blood sugar, and lower inflammation. And you need to reconnect with your menstrual cycle so that you can remove the confusion around your hormonal patterns. In my program, I provide a variety of tools and one-on-one support to address these 3 things. So if you are ready to stop wasting time guessing and get the individualized support that you need, comment chat to schedule a no-pressure call to share your story and see if we would be a good fit.